kumusta yung itsura? Ay, gabi, 시청 먹대는 나. 겉으나 겉바빨라. 엄마 맞추는데? Pero joke po yan ah! Joke po kayo. Ano po, shih tzu daw. Ano yung sinabi shih tzu? Di ba ano yun? Aso. Anyway, joke na. It's very nice. Tama ba?
Yeah, it's very nice.
Pero kasi yung ano po yung sakit na ano, ang sakit na ano, yung namatay yung anak niya nandito pa rin. Pero paulit-ulit, tapos ayan, paulit na yan, reset na naman pala. Pero at the end, sobrang ganda, sobra. Ang worth it siya.
The story was so like, I mean, so many twists. So like that's the type of movie that I like where like everything changes. You think this is gonna happen, and boom, no. Whatever you thought was going on, it's not happening anymore. So like the story was just, oh wow.
Kasi gagawin niya lahat para sa anak niya.
Ano mo masasabi niyo na parang Star Cinema nagdadala ng ganitong klaseng pelikula dito sa Pilipinas?
Jackie Chan. That was someone I've been watching since I was a very
Jackie Chan.
A lot of movies I've watched from him. So like to bring that type of movie here, it's good to watch.
Bakit sa tingin mo kailangan panoorin ng tao?
Marami silang matutunan dito.
Family values as well. It might not be as obvious as some other movies, but if you look at it, the main character did everything for her child. She's willing to destroy all of her research, to risk her life, how many things she did for her child. So it just shows how much she cared for her family.
One last my way, please encourage everyone to watch Reset on June 28.
Hi, I'm Edward.
Hello po, ako si Meme. Manood po kayo ng
Reset, and that's on
June 28.
There you go, guys. Come on, it's a good movie. Go watch it.
Hindi kayo magsisi. Wala tayo paulit-ulit din kayo punta.
And if you watch it again. Reset the time.
Ay, photo lang. Sisi.
May picture yan. Selfie lang.
Thank you po.
Reset.
Thank you po.
Sabayan ko ulit kayo. Hintay lang.
Okay lang.
Pero siguro, parang ang tingin natin flow.
Sabi natin ang Star Cinema nagbibigay ng ganitong
Sobrang nakaka-proud na bilang part ng Star Cinema kayo, di ba? Na merong ganitong movie yung Star Cinema. So, nang nalaman namin, we're very excited to come here and watch and encourage people to watch also. So, we really came here excited.
Kasi Philippines is not the only country in the world. So, I think we have to expand to learn kung anong uso ngayon. Yung mga Koreano, yung mga Chinese. So, let's mix everything para maging open-minded.
Last question na lang. Why should everyone watch Reset?
I think everyone should watch Reset kasi it's not just an action movie. May na-learn kasi kami sa Reset. Parang it's a very timely lesson to learn, which is the value of time. Kasi we live in an instant world na. Like all millennials, they like everything instant, almost all. So, yun yung kailangan natin i-learn ng millennials, yung pahalagahan ng time.
Yung din po sagot ko kasi ngayon nakatutok lagi tayo sa cellphone. Pinapabayaan natin, kunyari kung magulang, pinapabayaan natin yung mga anak natin yung sa cellphone. Kung anak naman kami, hindi namin kinakausap mga kapatid o magulang namin. Kaya just feeling ko with this film, you're gonna understand that you have to put beside yung cellphone and go to spend more time with your kapamilya, with your kaibigan, kasi yun talagang ang titigil sa puso natin.
Let's invite every kapamilya natin to watch Reset on June 28 in Philippine Cinemas. Invite na lang natin sila Reset on June 28 in Philippine Cinemas. Okay, dito na lang po kayo.
Okay guys, come here in June 28 to watch
Reset film. It's a very nice movie directed by
Jackie Chan.
Produced by Jackie Chan.
Produced by Jackie Chan.
Watch out!
And yun po. See you!
See you!
Okay, thank you very much. This work.
this. Did a workshop with G4. Yeah. Photo naman in some event.
Okay. Yun na lang po. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Take care. Take care po. Thank you so much.
Kamusta yung pelikula?
Ma'am, ba't yun lang? Asan ba yung kasama?